Hey guys, what's up? Rice Gaming House here for another video. And it's been a while I did Warship Craft, so let's do a Warship Craft video. And today I am reviewing the RGS Bismarck, or the Rice Gaming Ship Bismarck. So this is my modern version of the Bismarck. So the first thing I had more guns in the front. Warship Craft does not have the Tirpitz guns or Bismarck guns, so I decided to use 3-barrel guns, and I added 3 of them in the front. I used the same superstructure, some of the same superstructure of the real Bismarck in the front. Changed the mast a little bit to make it a little bit more modern. In the middle, the real Bismarck has a boiler and a scout plane launcher. I changed it to an aircraft carrier, so yeah, planes and 2 runways. In the back, I used the same superstructure as the real Bismarck. A lot of secondary guns and lots of AA. So I like it. It's a really cool build. And let's destroy some ships.
One family in a sweet harmony. Someday we'll all be free.
So yeah, that's the firepower of the RGS Bismarck. Secondary weapons do lots of damage. I like it. Cool. Like with planes and all that. Destroyed the HMS London over there. Still die. Doesn't want to die. So yeah, that's the end of this video, guys. RGS Bismarck. I'm going to continue making the RGS fleet, both on naval craft and warship craft. I'm still debating, because the one thing I actually will make a video of this later. I don't like how warship craft, you have a limited amount of ships, so that's why I'm kind of urging not to, but do it on naval craft. But you guys tell me, should I build my fleet in naval craft or warship craft? So yeah, that's the end of this video, guys. See you later.